In this video, I am going to explain to you how to operate pressure washers safely, even if you are a complete novice. Firstly, we are all aware that the use of pressure washers can make our lives a lot easier. We are able to clean almost all kinds of surfaces easily, and it will also help us do so with maximum efficiency. However, you must remember that although it may seem that pressure washers are very easy to operate and that they are safe to use, you still need to keep in mind that they are power tools. Improper handling of power washers can result in injury, which is why you have to know how to safely operate this piece of machinery. You should be aware too that pressure washers are not your daily garden hose. In fact, people describe power washers as garden hoses on steroids, and they should be treated as equipment in line with brush cutters, chainsaws, and other commercial or industrial power equipment. So, what are the safety reminders that you need to remember whenever you use pressure washers? 1. You should always wear protective clothing. As you will be working with water, you may get tempted to clean while in your bathing suit or in your board shorts. Avoid the temptation, and under any circumstances, you should not do this. When working with pressure washers, you should wear goggles or blast shield, boots, coveralls or raincoat, and note to cover your ears with earplugs. 2. Cleaning agents and chemicals. If you are going to use the pressure washer with cleaning agents or chemicals, you may have to consider using a reliable mask, such as a gas mask. This will prevent you from inhaling the toxic fumes that cleaning chemicals emit. You should also use a pair of gloves which you can duct tape to your raincoat to seal and prevent fluid from seeping in. 3. Inspect all parts of pressure washer before use. Make sure you check every part of the pressure washer before you start operation. You must see to it that everything is in good working condition and are working properly to avoid injuries that may occur if the unit malfunctions. This means, among other actions, that you have to look for leaks in the pump, check the oil levels, electric motors, and the electric cord for tears and damages. You must also make sure that you avoid wet spots whenever you use extension cords for your pressure washer. Also, try to make sure that the nozzles, wands, and spray tips are free from clogs. Keep in mind that you will be working with very high pressure, and you might propel these clogs at a very high pressure, which can result in damaging a property or cause injuries. 4. Do not direct the nozzle at people or animals. Always avoid the temptation to direct the pressure washer nozzle at any person or animal, not even as a joke. When cleaning, start with low pressure and increase it gradually to a higher level in order to achieve the best result. In the same way, make sure that you are using the right spray tips for the type of work you are doing with the pressure washer. 5. Get help when using a ladder. You also have to ensure that you work with another person, especially if you are going to make use of a ladder or ledge. If nobody else is available to help you, then it is highly recommended that you use a telescopic wand to clean high surfaces. 6. Clean the equipment after use. Lastly, always remember to clean the equipment after using them. Run clear water through the system if you used cleaning chemicals to prevent corrosion inside the pump, trigger gun, and wand. Before stowing the pressure washer away, make sure that you let the engine cool down first. These are the safety precautions that you need to remember whenever you operate a pressure washer. Bear in mind that you will be working with water at high pressure or possibly high temperatures, just as you will also be working with electricity. To avoid injuries, always follow the manufacturer's recommended safety precautions when operating a pressure washer.